Hello, my name is Kim Matina. This screencast will show you how to customize your email notifications in Google Classroom. First, this is a new feature of the 2018 Google Classroom, and I think that it will definitely be helpful. So let me show you where this customization is. First, you need to log into your Google for Education account, click on the hamburger menu up at the top left corner, and scroll down to Settings in the drop-down. Once you're at the settings screen, you will notice that these notifications here didn't change. You can toggle on or off specific notifications for all of your classes at this part here. But you will notice here at the bottom, there's class notifications. Simply click on that down arrow to expand it, and you will see a list of all of your classes that you are teaching. You can simply toggle the switch to disable or enable email notifications for that specific class. So if I have two classes turned on, these are the only two classes that I will receive email notifications for. Like I said, this is a new feature, and I think it will definitely help prevent your inbox from getting flooded with all email notifications. I hope you found this screencast helpful.